go see myself at the Instagram.
Sucks. I may have something to make you feel better. Check it out. Casey rocks. See, talk to me. Is it gonna look great in fingerless gloves?
Nothing looks good in fingerless gloves.
Casey rocks.
Oh my god.
Casey rocks.
Calm down.
What am I looking at?
Justice.
Tiny little person up against a monster.
Hi, hello my people. How you are doing? Good evening.
Oh, it's good. Channel it.
Has been long. I just want to say hello to you guys. Before video time. Today I'm on time. No late comment.
It's just how I hold my pencil. Okay. Listen up, Pops. Midterms are
No late commenters.
We live in a time where a lot of bad shit is happening. Your mission, if you so choose it, and you kind of have to if you want to pass, is to create a single piece of art that sheds light on a political cause that you are passionate about.
Oh my god, I have so many ideas. How am I gonna pick?
Hello my
Factory farming, right?
people.
No, homelessness. Oh, but abortion.
And
What
those
they
things
go on
that
for
what is it,
social
leftovers?
media?
Nonsense.
Person can call me. 1 minute, guys. Hello.
New York City for penguins.
How cool.
And it's a bloodbath.
Oh, dear.
Normally, baby.
Hello. Both are my brother.
Because of predators, starvation.
Let's talk about something more sunny. Yeah?
And thanks to humans and climate
Yeah, me a quick come, eh?
more are
My lady, may you not sleep.
I watched a video of a duck.
Hello, Botao.
It's pretty cute.
The odds were already stacked against them, and now this.
Um,
I spent all weekend working on this project.
even in nowhere.
Well, I was hoping that maybe we could spend some time together.
It must start a book course here.
Sorry, this is too important. I have to get this right.
On my baby need this space. Should be a space in your room.
Alright, we had a very special time the other day, and you haven't even mentioned it. I mean, ever since that early afternoon in your dorm, everything has changed. We're a pair of adults now.
Okay.
Okay, but look.
Okay then.
Oh, see, now that's better.
Okay then. On my ya get back. Even you want the show.
They're dead. It's a massacre.
Ya get back. Ya story number one. Hello, my love. How are you? Unisoni, how you dey? What did they happen? This school reach where you dey. Everywhere just cool. What did they happen? Unlike you, my lady. Hope everywhere they good. Say, hey, whoa, it don't set. It don't set. Oh, if you wa he egwine for woka. Na if you and no again now. If you no appreciate friend after the movie party. My people, I bet make una watch this video from the beginning to the end. Make una tell the 10 spring bed pressing up I can go. Okay. What is your opinion about Etinosa? That's what we are going to YouTube for. We are going to YouTube for Etinosa. We are going to YouTube for one video that they are sharing. I can't really share it on Facebook. I can't share it on YouTube. Otherwise, they will say it's violent and they might give you strike. Okay, and I don't know how to block all those things. Even if you block, the sound alone, it put me to sleep. Jesus, I was so scared. Ah, my God, my children just returned from school. I just started to they embrace them, they kiss them like God. Hey, God, person do my pikin like that, eh? Oh, I kill that person. Terrible video. Have you guys seen it? What I did? I know. Tell you. Guess. Come for me. Oh yeah, call it. Oh yeah, come now. Call it. Call it. See as I dey shine. And yesterday now, 4 o'clock in the morning, now I take sleep. And I still dey shine like this. Show with me, you know why? I love my job. I'm doing my job with passion. You understand? Nobody's forcing me. I'm not working at gunpoint. I'm not working for any boss. I don't have boss. I'm the boss of myself. I woke up. I do it just the way I want to do it. Now the thing. Oh, I want to the toy. If I put this big one, me and the cut small. The boy that was confessing. Oh, say they eat meat. No, I want to eat meat like that again. They say me I want to eat meat like that again. I just sit down, they eat meat. No, not anymore like that. No, not really. Yes, you they shine. Because my darling, I love my job. I love my job. I love it. My job, which I now mean, this your hair too fine and the makeup. Oh really? And the makeup, I don't take time to do all this makeup thing. I say they do something. The one where you go sit down, they me, and not go enter. The one where I say me, I just do as leg bouquet. Now I come the shine, my. I just do. I don't even put effort. I don't like you. I don't put effort at all. What I be the talk? The wisdom, mama. Oh, thank you, my brother. How you doing? Many people say, in winner, all you want to. Many people say, another person matter. You long for truth. You they eat grape. So now they see what they eat. Yeah. I think on this now. I they eat chocolate. Fear let me. One cake where I eat that I don't know say they put small chocolate inside. See, and I eat my forehead so. I eat my forehead. Chocolate is magnet for me. Butter is magnet. Cass is magnet. Cheese is magnet. I eat chips where they use cheese to make. I get another one. Yeah, it don't finish now. So if I don't touch them, my face will just leave me. If I just touch these things here, I just also pida cass, granite. Oh, I am dead. So I dare not. What am I eating? Guess. Many people say if you carry another person matter for head, your neck go long. You go make kakaraka. Yes. Winner, you know easy. You go make zakasaka. Amina, my work na winner. Many people say, Monica, winner. No. My own not be winner. Yeah. Can't you see the evidence that is not in winner? You cannot shine with winner. Never. Who born you? Where you will shine with him? But when you be avasano wamagbe, oh you sati gbo. When you be lawyer fegene, not be winner. Now when you be a zagazaga, when everybody they go up, you go they go down. When everybody they shake for inside market, you go they shake for outside. When everybody say everywhere don't cool, now that time you go say market one star. Now that one ain't bad. I'm having my time now. You guys should let me have my small time. I'm going to go and do video, but I just want to have this small time with my Instagram. It has been long. Abiuna, not they miss me for Instagram. Okay, una bye bye. Oh, I'm going. And there I am. Always I'll say, oh, my Instagram people, oh, my Rigbokeke, oh, I they miss them, oh, time not they permit me again. Now let Instagram come they suffer for all my social media. The rest they still they see me Instagram on they too see me again. So today we will be spending 1 hour here doing nothing.
Did you tell Sam about us?
Once you na fish and I said they see you now, so they happy because I miss you now. Oh, you miss me, you see. I miss you now.
Is I don't feel like broadcasting my personal business.
Me, I don't go. Okay, nah. No go. Okay, I'll say. This one how they miss me. Oh, I love you. Yeah. I can't they miss my Instagram. I'll just sit down. I'll say, oh God, I miss my Instagram. But if I say me, I put on for video. Something where I'll do for 1 hour. Go remain small, my head finish. If I do Instagram 4 hours, I'll do with 1 week. Get finish stuff. Yeah, that's why. So if I just do week, I'll just say me I not put on for Instagram because I really tight. So I put on for Instagram, then hey, will come the stay day break. I not finish. I not meet my target. No. If I don't meet my target for something, they give me stress. So I like to meet my target, then I go the shine, go the happy. All of us, your YouTube. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I miss you too, Becky. I miss you. I just saw what you sent to me now since 1st of December. And now they see people message. I agree. No, it's. Don't go. Okay, I'm here. This day I prefer Instagram and YouTube. Facebook is too like yeah. Sometimes, but I'll be going to Facebook. I don't know whether to do Facebook first. I want to promote someone music. The father paid for me to promote his son, and for real, I was like, my God, when I now go to the boy YouTube and his Instagram to go find out what he's doing. I was like, oh my God. Nah, Ishama, we Oibo born for Ishama. Okay, so the boy is Isham boy, Jama Isham boy, and they do great. They play music and they reach out for black people. They speak and they sing against racism. They try to bring unity, like that one way that they always call they not get some. And they come for the sha. And they come for the boy. I'm too busy for better thing right now. My book full. Anytime yani because yani free of charge no gbele kwakwa ya we 30 minutes so ye deni ya we no we va de no de akugbe this thing No fruit to eat.
Sam takes
I want to see what I eat. And if I eat, I think so that they see me for corner.
Oh, you learned a lot from that game.
We are your shine student. Yeah, I fight.
Biscuit.
Bam. Bam. We are not wood though. We are wood. I have subscribed to your 2 YouTube channel. Thank you so much, my lady. Thank you. We are wood though. Nollywood, Hollywood, Monica Wood. Yes now.
You want a glass of wine?
What do wood mean? To create entertainment. Hollywood, Nollywood, Ghana Wood, Edo Wood, Kenyan Wood, Monica Wood.
Great news. Now that we're adults, you know, sex. I decided
What did you do?
stop moping around. It's time to get back in the job applying game.
The day about yesterday,
An interview. For a
in
name.
girl, what you want to show about Ivie.
Mayor's office, I was in.
But the video when you say you want get, if you don't already share them on and go watch them. So,
Congratulations.
no say na cause that the day they do.
Here.
I believe you eat more.
Right.
You know I make more on Sunday.
Not
I don't remember to eat them again.
difference. Do these dead
I'll eat them tomorrow.
hairspray?
I make more on Sunday. Always you know, it's for me alone in this house. Nobody
What?
they eat, follow me eat that kind of food for this house. Monica, if you no cut for me, now what? Connection. That did it. You haven't come in. And you saw men that they come in. No, why do? Oh, yeah, me come in now. Yeah, me go yeah. Yes, one so.
Guess what
So
I'm doing?
the boy na Ishan outcast.
It was a little
And
loose. And,
he love black community and he promotes a lot of love, unity among us, oneness all over the world. That love one another. It doesn't matter the color, the this, the that.
Yeah, I am upset.
Doing a lot of projects for African people. I say, wow. When I say, tell your father, hold on, don't pay that money. I will do it for him for free. He deserves it, especially son. Ishan child, like my children, born in abroad, and they are still like, not be say do something back home to go do investment there, but doing something back home by reaching out to the people back home.
I came to give us a huge
And
shirt back, but I'm too mad to go coffee.
Calling all color the same.
I walked into a Chili's the other
In
day.
his new release, no, they play am now.
Walked right out.
Good evening, my lady, first lady. Good evening. How many times did I call you? Hey, if you like, come out for today. Go reach tomorrow. Hey,
I know you don't want to be my friend anymore.
oh yeah, be a pancake. Then I have to show you a pancake. Then.
I even knew you were working today because I memorized
Okay.
your stupid school and work schedule. But I want every reminder of you gone. So here's your stupid shirt back. Not to mention, everyone keeps treating me like I'm a baby.
Oh, please, guys. Let's vote in. Just see. You see, person we are just they talk about a matter now. Good person, good. Then if they talk their matter, they come. He say hello. Trust you are doing well. Just to let you know, Casey just got nominated for Best International Act in Germany. Wow. Hey, Dede. Egbo yesa na okeke no promote. Awa enyamanyama o promote. Nyamanyama ne sa no gwagboje na gbo me mi kun igo na eke na jai ayeji. That is among the top international artists like Drag, Stormy, Skepta, Travis, and more. That is so cool. He's gradually getting his well-deserved recognition. Wow. Can you please ask your father to vote for him? It's on the 6th page. He's well-deserved. Oh, I'm going to do it. Let me click it on see first. Good evening, Lucy. Advise social media president and Obaseki prostitute daughter on time because they know say politics is rough game. They do the very wrong way. My brother.
What are you doing?
No, so if we were there abroad, they talk about politics. They get as if they do me. Only cannot fight for Evie again. Na betrayer. No. Evie not be betrayer. Talk another thing. If you talk with Evie, you know now. Me, I not deny. Even if not public, I'll say you are right. But Evie not be betrayer. No. Talk with you if I will say you are right, but betrayer, no, I will deny it for her. If is not a betrayer. Please, my lady, do the promo for him today. Oh, thank you. I'm going to do it. I want to first of all go to the page now to know how to vote. I did eat with one, so I know if you use no.
I'm going to say take her out for ice cream with the entire family.
Okay. I need to ask them how to vote. Let's play his music first. This is the latest one. It might not be the kind of music you guys are used to, but if you listen to it, you will see that. Picking the bone for abroad, trying to connect with where he's from. Oh, he said to make it is a mile away from every race. It's a mile away. Just listen. Listen.
Me no want the daddy, me want jelly water. Give me girl a kiss and then I walk out. Say that I am blessed, put on a bro smile. Dashy like a roadstar. I'm out on tour now. No sleep like a zombie. TBAG, that's the army. On and on, we push it till the morning. We live in our dream, yeah. Them man honestly walking. Hey, me I live
And they make you hungry.
They discussing if I'm topic, then I'm topic. Hey, I pour my heart out in the public.
Yeah?
Hey, on the wave, let me pop it. The early rainbow is a man away.
Yeah?
It's a man
No
away.
way.
Closer to the edge, I'm getting bodied. Getting bodied. Talk to me. Talk to me. Sing to me. Say what you want from me. Vibe with me. Why with me? One time, baby. Let me rewind the beat. Working every day, this dedication. Love I give from all my fans is medication. Hey. Started in the basement, switch up the location. Haters cannot face man. Never ride it solo. I deal with my queen and with my bro. And with the ball now. I like back. Not your boy style. No shakara. Hey, me I live it, me I love it. They discussing if I'm topic, then I'm topic. Hey, I pour my heart out in the public. Hey, on the wave, let me pump it. The early rainbow is a mile away.
Amber is going to dance for you, but she's not feeling strong. She's not feeling strong today. Yeah?
Talk to me. Say to me. Say what you want from me. Why with me? Why with me? One time, baby. Let me rewind your beat.
Good evening, I'm gonna say one. Yeah?
They discussing if I'm topic, then I'm topic. I put my heart on the public. On the web, let me pop it. The early rainbow is a mile away. It's a mile away. Closer to the edge, I'm getting bodied.
Yeah?
Getting bodied.
Yeah?
Talk to me. Sing to me. Say what you want from me. Vibe with me. Why with me? One time, baby. Let me rewind your beat. The early rainbow is a mile away. It's a mile away. Closer to the edge, I'm getting bodied. Getting bodied. Talk to me. Talk to me. Say
Okay, let's go to Facebook first. Let me go and promote it on Facebook before we go to YouTube. My Monica, you still they come YouTube. And they come now. I say 8:30. And they come.
Good news about Magellite penguins.
It's just 7. Let's go. Music now for still to 18. Go like this music. Yeah. Good evening, my lady. Good evening. True, she needs to apologize to Una. Okay, my lady, let me apologize on her behalf because I say this music not to romance. I'm telling you not to ask your husband something. He say, ask me anything, I'll give it to you. Just ask me. Okay, Mama, you need to flog a video. Now he picking I go flog. He picking. But I never get their time. Too busy. Because again low time where you know they use, where you know needs. Now that they use for them. Your special time. Don't use it for them. If I want to join your makeup class, how am I going to do it? Can you tell me what to do? What to do is to come to my WhatsApp or Lolo inbox, get our account number, pay to our account, then send us your Facebook name and you are in. So, nothing they play. My lady, wagenotata. Wagenota. Okay, wagenota. Now, audience, baby, she will go flog. I apologize on her behalf for you guys fighting for her. I know that you stand for the right thing. She's not a betrayer. You understand? If you know who she is, you won't even be asking for apology. You will be glad that you did for her. Who can tell me what is? We cannot call her betrayer. No, she's not a betrayer. She doesn't have spirit of betrayer. Do you know who is a betrayer? Who is a betrayer now among all of us? Who have the spirit of betrayer? One person, but fear not. Let me make sure the person name. I dey fear. Somebody among us is a betrayer. Okay? No, 2 of them. 2 people, not be 1. 2 among live video presenters are betrayer. They have spirit of betrayer. No matter how you do for them. But Ivie is not a betrayer. No, Edede, no. Edede is not a betrayer. Edede is a confused okon. She just confused. Her level of education really play bad on her. And people that knows it, use it, take advantage of it. People like Baby Chief and Adesuwa, they take advantage of what they know that Edede is. You understand? Edede is not a betrayer. No, another thing they worry her. B&B, no, B&B is not a betrayer. B&B is a snitch. What Netherlands calls snitch. I don't know if it's English, but we also call, my children call it snitch. Okay? B&B is a snitch, but she's not a betrayer. When B&B problem is, she can't stand one place. That's the thing. You can't really shoot her with Holy Ghost fire or shoot her with catapult or shoot her with anything. Because before you come, you don't dance, go here, don't dance, go there, don't dance, go there, don't dance, go there, don't dance, go there. Or see everyone like that. John Lovett, no. John Lovett is not a betrayer. She's not a betrayer. That one is just insecurity. They worry over too much suspicious when you why na one can't keep me here now. Now no so now start to dey call their name, I go start to dey tell you now. And if una talk who be betrayer, fear not let me talk. Oh, now two people they fear the where. Because I don't just feel for a zaga. Ajebo, Ajebo is not a betrayer. Ajebo is not a bad person. It's a nice person, but foundation what worries him. You know, wrong foundation. When you already have ugly foundation, one time you just want to make good foundation now, and you know wall where they ground come out. You come they affect your fine building. Ajebo is not a bad person, but wrong planning was what making to have this name that we are now calling today, you know, and it's difficult to wipe, very difficult. Eddie Murphy is never a betrayer. Never. It's never a betrayer. It's just that. Una know, I don't want to talk and finish.
Way too much salt.
Good evening, Eddie. If you not let me, oh. Baby Chief and Iranomigo, no. Baby Chief is not a betrayer. Baby Chief is a mafia. It's a user. It's not a betrayer. Baby Chief not a betrayer. It's just that anywhere wearing parasites, you know, work of a parasite. Anywhere it's there where you feel leaking. No, I'm sure that one. Enogie is not a betrayer. Enogie problem is Enogie is not a betrayer. Let me leave what he is, because as I talking like this, now something I still they do for them. If you know waiting, if I really tell you what you know about yourself just now, quick you go work on it. So I don't want to give some people for free. Yes, really. Ranomigo is a betrayer. Okay, that's meaning we have 3 betrayer on Ranomigo is a betrayer. Why? Because of his kind of topic. If you don't betray, politicians are betrayers. They can't be trusted. They can never be trusted. So that's why maybe on normal ground, Ranomigo can be a trustworthy person, but on social media, it's a betrayer because of, you know, who not the right name again? Who come there? Who did that? Ah, Unisoni, how are you? Good evening. I don't see any other name with there. I'm not right Lolo, I'm not right Monica, I'm not right other people.
We miss you, buddy. Your sister.
Ranomigo and Obaseki prostitute. Yeah.
You're welcome.
Politician cannot be trusted, so Ranomigo, that's why if you say it's a betrayer, because it's kind of job. It's a betrayer. At the Murphy, I don't talk and just now. Now they come.
Sure.
At the Murphy is not a betrayer. It can never betray. At the Murphy is not a betrayer. No. I don't want to tell anybody what they be, but I'll just talk, say, no, they're not be. Lolo. Lolo is not a betrayer, but he have a very I don't want to talk anybody. No, I can talk Lolo. Wait till you want to do, you feel beat me. Lolo is not a betrayer. No, no near. But she have a very strict, rigid. If you do law for school, you do government, people now know what to be rigid law.
It's not your fault. There isn't usually the floor model stoves, but
Lola is not a betrayer, but Lola have a very rigid
bad time
law.
marriage. Oh, me.
Ijore
For what it's worth,
is not
huge mistake.
a betrayer. Only
Well, yes, but
when she needs to defend herself,
thing with Gretchen,
then she betray you to the core. You can go and die.
believe you.
You understand?
What? He's getting married? When?
She's not a betrayer. She even near you.
25th.
She not near you. Why you want even to know whether you betray, not betray? Not near nobody now.
One of the dates I memorized for him. I need you to say the words. I promise.
Monica, don't forget we have show
I promise.
on YouTube. Okay, more they go.
I have to stop this.
Yes, so Lolo is principle person. Yeah. Strong principle. Rigid. Don't say principle. Principle is different from rigid person. Principle people are, you give them rules and regulation, and they make sure that this is what God said, this is how it is. Those are principled people. Rigid people, they don't even bend for your own law. You know, those are rigid. Oh. You can laugh now. Who will be that? I don't want some names, not be because say I dey fear them. I hate to just not to talk why they eat. As you just mention that person name, now see, food go just tire me. Because some people, they are shit to me. Shit. What about Monica? Me? Am I a betrayer? No, I'm not.
I don't have to go.
I'm not. I'm not close. Not even near. It doesn't even sound to me. I can't try it. I can't do it. No, I'm not a betrayer because I have a lot of people secrets. And
What
I
about
do
us?
not betray.
Are we separated?
I'm not a betrayer. No.
Strip away video was wonderful.
What of the one they call herself? That one a mama. Okay, is she a betrayer? No, she's not. She's not a betrayer. Never. Okay, you want me to tell who she is?
It's just a work.
Straightforward. She's just straightforward. You understand? She's a straightforward like this. Not the look here, not the look here, just like this. And that's why maybe sometime when I'll still say, this woman. Because no man in life, you're supposed to look here. Because if you do driving license, they'll say, look here, look again before you go. They're not the solely straight. Mama Checkable is a straightforward person. Now there you see, now there they go, look here. That's what she is, but she's not a betrayer. What about Evie? Who be Ivy? Evie. You mean Evie, my sister? Evie is not a betrayer. You guys want me to tell what Evie is? Me, I wanted you guys to say what Evie is. Say what Evie is. Evie is not a betrayer.
Take off early this morning.
But Evie is something.
Hard at work, our busy bee.
I don't know Monica, but I can say Monica is a straight for women person. Good for at all. Thank you. No, I'm not a betrayer.
Sort of clues.
I don't.
Well, my friend is eloping, and I have to find him and
I
stop
feel you.
because I promised not to let him fail out of nursing school, and his girlfriend is leaving. So I'm going through my old journals to see if there's anything he said that might give me a hint of his location.
So the guy with the left backpack? Can I help?
What are your qualifications?
I feel you.
Fine.
Yes.
I feel it's not a betrayal. Okay, we are talking about betrayal, right? I feel it's not a betrayal. But it get for body where get na leg, get na everywhere.
Hey, congratulations.
What about Monica Tuetu? I'm not a betrayer too.
Hey, can I talk?
I'm not a betrayer.
I'm sorry.
I'm sick of you apologizing.
People are just looking at what you say, but if is not a betrayer, but me want you guys to tell me if is this, then I will say okay, yes or no, not be you. Una not talk. If not be betrayer, no. If not sabi betray, now something else they do where they can cause kasala. You understand?
I'm done being
If is very soft person, truthful too. On a où? Vivian on a où? Vivian on a où?
Can't. He blocked me after the unhealthy.
Normal. A normal character as I be watching the way she speak, the way she try to talk.
I don't know.
She's not a betrayer.
What does he love more than anything in the world?
But you know, social media make us to display a lot of things that we don't have. Then at the end of the day, we end up doing it very, very wrongly because it's not your thing. Thank you, Becky. Ivie is a confused .com. That's why you will not think, oh, she don't betray me. She don't betray you. She just confused. You don't know what to do. You don't know be enemy. You don't know what they call stay away. You don't know move on. You don't know respect yourself. You don't know discipline yourself. You don't know carry yourself. You don't know herself. You don't know where she confused.com. That's why she's not a betrayer. She can never harm nobody. She don't get that mind. You understand? That's why she dey quick cry because for her she dey always feel like, oh, I said good read, they don't see her. Oh, because she don't know herself. She can't feel say maybe we all can't dey sleep every day. Oh, Ivie is a good girl. Ivie is a good girl. Ivie is like seriously we care. You understand? Ivie is a nice person, but Ivie is confused at the moment. I don't know why. She's confused, very confused. She don't know when and when not. What about a dede na girl? Who be a dede na girl again? No, okay, dede na girl for Spain. I said she's not a betrayer, but she's another thing. She's not a betrayer. And someone said Vivian Newu. Vivian Newu is not a betrayer. But social media brought what social media brought out about Vivian. It's not Vivian. It's just where you know some people they like that. They want to be tough. Meanwhile, they are not a tough person. So by so doing, they will just copy your kind of tough and tough it. I say, this it. And when you go see the tough, you'll mash it with them. It doesn't mash. What Vivian did that day, actually is not Vivian thing. I don't think Vivian is that kind of woman, but she just felt this is how they do it on social media. Let me do it too, but she do, I know fit her. But you see when they there for spade do it on. Because they will not be any. Hey! Oh my God. So Vivian is not a betrayer. Vivian is not a tough person the way she is trying so hard for we to see that I'm tough. She's not a tough person at all. You know fit her. Abi, am I lying, my people? Una see and say me, yeah, no, you know fit her. No fit her.
What are you doing?
No.
You have to hide your pros and cons list or else it's doing it in both lists.
But she feel be fighter. That's what people misunderstand.
Yeah. I just basically have to change my whole life and train like a maniac. Should I?
Some people are fighter.
By the way, I'm proud
they call it I'm tough. No. If na ordinary ground, person like Vivian go fit carry fight, go meet.
You had a hard time.
You no care whether police go come, go gbayegbo. Because now that type of person that she be, she will fit fight. So because of that, she will come feel say, if I talk like this, they'll just see the kind of person I be. No, she's not that type of bug. No, she can be a fighter.
No, I need it. And you don't
You know?
That's why I also need to borrow Casey.
Monica, what time are you coming? I'm coming now.
Sorry, Casey.
I too like you, Monica. Always make me laugh. I'll be you. My
We
lady.
need to get to Royal
I
Oak
see
Casino.
what you they eat.
Because we're gonna break up to Heath wedding to Gretchen.
No, you are not lying. I'll be you. You see when Lovette do you? Hey, that one, boonish. Just boon of Europe. I don't know why it follow Bini come. What I mean by bone of Europe, eh?
I'm sorry, but do you really think that's necessary?
I don't know whether it's there for Roboland like that. You know, okay? Robo will live among us for Bini. They can do trouble. Oh, for Robodo on the street, eh? If you see they make trouble. That's also that one you remember. I'm telling you.
I'd really rather not say. Other than as a reminder of my shame.
Monica,
Scarlet
Iviero.
carry with me for all of eternity.
Iviero, she's not a betrayer.
I don't want to take it off my hands.
She's not a betrayer.
Can't say, then they don't say.
I don't know whether that name, you know.
This is the eldest that's performing.
Iviero also have,
The arrow only points up. The elevator is on the ground floor. Do
you know,
think they're getting married?
very close to like Iviero also.
Thank you.
They don't know themselves. I don't understand. They don't sabi discipline themselves. People with that, but I get one lovely Ivie for year. In short, now even Princess Ivie, she's so responsible to the call. You too, I love you, sister. With you. Oh, thank you. Urobo, we no like her. My lady. Hey, I pray.
Sorry, it's
Urobo for Bini where we grow with Jesus. Hey, they can do trouble. You know they see they always enter my mind. Person they do trouble before you now say, Kai, Urobo. They can do trouble.
about 45 minutes.
Okay.
She no wish she like saga, but she no sabi. No, she wish oh no. Who like saga? They different. Like a dede na zaga. That one a saga. You understand? We all but they call it dede na wish because I mean na yagbe.
Office hours aren't until 5.
But you see the one where they say na be a dede na wish. Now that one be you get na wish. Wish. I don't like them. Oh, you don't like that. They swear your name. You are so responsible, so disciplined. I don't know the two Ivie where we get for social media. They're not that disciplined. Not discipline. They can't discipline themselves. Only two of them will say, I don't do this thing again. Nobody tell them not do it. They'll start to do and they'll still tell you fuck you on top. No. But they are not betrayal. They are very nice. They are very simple. They are very nice. But because of they are not disciplined, you with their discipline, you can't cope with them. You can't cope.
So I told him he should go to New York on this work trip.
People will they call if you like too much. You do.
Well, that and the work.
Trouble not they make person get fat, but Make I beg leave us alone. We Urobo not the like trouble. Oh really? Okay. Now be say una we grow for Urobo. Una not the like trouble Urobo land.
Who you already have.
You see those Urobo one na drive come our place. Hey! Bini people am I lying? Urobo we dey una area. How they use una eye see? Una dey sleep, wake up in the morning normal. I be na go. Hey, yeah. Okay, you said them Ivie, they need love. You can't love somebody that is not disciplined. You don't know that. I beg you. People that are not disciplined, your love, you they give and you they withdraw, you they give and you they withdraw, you they give and you they withdraw. It goes when person is not disciplined, it's hard to love them. Oh, you late for Aproko, you late. We don't enjoy it. So yeah, now more they go. Yeah, they go Facebook before I go YouTube. I'll be me if I go YouTube before I get Facebook. I for lick my hand now. Now I think that's what I eat. Okay, let me show you one thing. Maybe you know. Who know what is this? Who know what is this? This is what I was eating. I don't eat or finish. Mama, now this hair I tell you shall. And I no come on. I can't say you say nyaki. That's why I'll tell you now. Say go and screenshot it and send it to me. Because some of you, if I say nyaki, you say yes. Meanwhile, this will not be nyaki. Okay, my lady. Next time, you just screenshot it and you send it and say this one. Then I know if it's not stable, because they are not disciplined. Urobo people where I know trouble, I take note. Oh, that's the way love they say now. Gasi ane no yari you very me 5 or do my easy. Gasi ane. Monica, let's start early, please. Okay. Which kind of hair be this one? Which kind? Love daughter, me I'll come tell you. Urea, uveria, we gualomea. Wa mume gie master where I bossy where. Me bossy ya. Love daughter, se bien yo. Leave me alone. I be the look for Ambrose. The look for Ambrose is a gay. 9th of year the day, so leave me alone. Me and Ambrose don't have your time. We don't have your time. I'm fine with the fine. We don't get your time. Leave me alone. My senior sister, her name na Ivie. She too like love. Be like say that name, Ivie. And I be the talk that I say if I born, I'll give her Ivie. Thank God the mom Ivie. Because, but I get lovely Ivie for years now. That lady very responsible. If you see family, everything. I will not leave you again. Leave me, oh love daughter. I don't need love. I already have my love. So leave me alone. Why will you be asking what kind of hair is this? Is it my hair you want to buy for your wife? I be your girlfriend. Is it my hair? No. Don't ask me. If na woman ask me, I go the year. Not be love daughter. Love daughter, where I love daughter even today. I just say we go do me block and be I can't forget self.
Not a succulent.
Okay. What?
More they go now. More they go now. Don't spend this thing here. Let's go. I want to teach you how to love. Me, I don't already love. Go teach Ivie. Now Ivie, you teach how to love. Go teach Edede na Ibarie. Inya rock my name love. Go teach Edede na Skata. Go teach the one where they Amsterdam. All of them need love. Me, I have my love. Hello.
Yeah, this I was the one who sent you message of messenger.
Okay. Over.
Yes. Over about my brother. The music.
Okay. Okay, my lady. Talk to me.
How are you? Yeah, I just wanted you to.
Sorry, well, that sounds crazy to you. No.
Okay. Add me on WhatsApp with this number.
I'm actually not sure myself.
Okay. Okay, with this number.
I think I get how you feel.
Okay then. Okay, I will add you. Okay. Later, bye. Yeah. Where are we starting from? Most start from YouTube. Because if I don't sit down for one place, just like go, they sweet me. If I did Facebook, I know can't feel come out, go YouTube. And I must go YouTube today because I don't want to that the face for Facebook. I want to run for my YouTube. You understand? Mr. Monica, Ivie is a very lowly. Ivie is very lowly too. Because that's what I said. I said people are not disciplined. You won't see somebody that will follow you. Who like made that they put stain for your body these days? Nobody like a girl. Stay where you don't get when you day young girl. You can't come Facebook now. You can't they follow one person for Facebook. You can't they give you stain. No. Not like they like stain every day, every now and then. They the same place. No. This day people are getting like for stain. You understand? If he come, people bring and come, God go carry and follow them. But not just go use your hand. Go the follow person where go they give you stain. That be the thing. That's why she's slowly. People are scared of stain. You follow this one, the next day stain. Look at Enogena. A stain don't come. The other one stain don't come. The other one stain don't come. People go they scared. And how do you clean this stain? You have to respect yourself. Carry yourself. Know yourself. Discipline. Is she lolly? For how many years? Do you know how many years I stay alone in this Deventer with my 3 children and my husband alone? I never go to visit nobody. Because you know why? I was setting the pace. Because I know myself. And I was in the wrong circle. The moment I realized, I moved out. And nobody thought I could. Just like we all, if you person just see, when he take quarrel with them, they never reach 1 year. When he quarrel with, he don't even go back to them. That's what I always preach. Beginning of the year, they'll say, I throw away bad friend. I throw away friend enemy. January, by February, March, they are lowly. They pick it up again. By April, when they do birthday, so their friend enemy wish them happy birthday. They pick it up again. I beg. Discipline, discipline, man. Yeah, discipline. I stayed for 6 years long. Not visit nobody in my city, and nobody visit me. Did I die? There was no even Facebook then. No Facebook. Was me, my children, my boogie, my husband, and Playtown. Is it Playtown? Playground. Yeah. 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 Put them in the boogie. Take them to Playtown. Go back to pick the one that is at school. Come back as I make food for them. Clean my house. Check. You don't see time. If person they talk say he's lonely, I'll ask her, you don't clean under your bed. Go and clean under your bed. I clean under my bed for 6 years long. Yeah. And I don't have something to do. I put Army Man music. I put Naomi music. The whole house they make like party. Why I clean all under my bed. Over. Spread bed on time. Yeah. Yeah. Understand? That's it. Today I'm happy. Yeah. Today I'm happy because I invested on this man. Clear life. Otherwise today maybe I for the get dick. Okay? Maybe today now. People where I don't follow do friend, I'm your before I can't enter social media, person can't tell me now. Can't do it for me, can't do it for my pikin. I can't say no. You can't become, oh, you see, I don't do friend, you mean, and not say me. But today nobody can tell me that. I never call you to come help me do mine. You can call me to come and help me do, yeah. Hello? Okay. Okay, I will add you. I will add you, yeah. Okay. Okay, let us talk. Okay, guys. See you on YouTube. I'm coming to YouTube before Facebook, okay? No, talk to me. Talk to me.